Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Yes, it's a new week. This is vlog 7, I think. Yeah. Guys, the struggle is real. Right now I'm sitting down. I'm going for my roommate because she leaves works. Lord Jesus. She leaves work. She leaves work at 5. She was supposed to leave at 6, but I guess she asked to leave early. So she's leave work at 5 and I left work earlier. So I am going to pick her up. But I thought, let me just check in, just in case I don't check in again before the day. Now, today is Saturday. I released a vlog. Yeah. Guys, I am trying. I'm keeping it up. Like, editing is where it is because sometimes I come in late. Like, I work from 6 to like 8 o'clock in the night. So that's like almost hours. 13 hours? A lot. So, please appreciate my effort. Yeah. Before I get into the vlog, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, turn on the post notification, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. So, as you all know, from the previous vlog, they gave me a car to drive. No, this car is not just for me, it's to transport the workers. They gave me the key. I work 6 o'clock, so whoever is working 6 o'clock can jump on, and whoever needs to come home can come home. No, there's not so much people here because we have 3 cars, and they already have their system. So me and my roommate have a system. Whoever come afterwards, then we'll figure it out. Now, it is a Ford Flex. Yeah. It is really good. I love it. Radio banging, the dashboard banging. Like, I got the better car, so that is good. AC, everything up to par. Drive good. The gas, it burn good. It is a 6-seater. What's it, 6 or 8? 7-seater. It's a 7-seater. Yeah, the 7-seater. So right now the back one, the extremely back, is down. The rooftop can, yeah, so you have here and about down there, so that is good and I love it. So I'm just gonna go for my roommate. Look at that. So the car, remember where it was when I turned it off. So it adjusts by the seat, turn on the music once I turn it on. So because I'm using my phone, it's not gonna really play the music. So you see, the Bluetooth is not on because I turned it off. Well, no, it's on. AC, everything on, dashboard on. Yeah, that is that. So I'm just gonna go for her and then catch you back. So see you in the next clip. Bye. I don't know what you like me, you're my bitch, your wifey. So what time you my honey, I can be your own, you can be my wife. Next week out, I need you in my life, yeah. All day, every day I need you, and every time I see you, my feelings get deeper. I miss you, I really wanna miss you, but I can't. So it ain't true that ain't too one time. You know that I miss you, I wanna get with you. Tonight, but I get away, girl, that's the issue. But I know I miss you, I just wanna kiss you. But I can't right now, so baby, kiss me to the phone, kiss me to the phone. And she message me as me reach at the stoplight. Oh no, but I come because she gonna meet with Steve. Tell me now. Why my girl? Why you message me earlier? Because me and me no one time for wait because yesterday she wait for me. I guess I might time for wait for her. And I was watching it now. but it's fine. I'm almost done still. But now I can follow up on some call because me have to call some people and yeah, just do things when we need to do on the phone. So not a problem. So I'm gonna chilling like yeah. Yeah, that's it. So you know what? Catch you tomorrow. Hey guys, just checking in. It's the first time I'm checking in. I actually came from my first job and now I'm at the second one. It's the same job, guys. So let me just tell you, it's the same job. It's just different section. Alright, so I'm not doing no second job. Just I pick up extra hours at the different location within the company. So make note of that. You're not supposed to do second job, so don't do. If you have a company that allows you to do different, pick up extra hours at different location, then you can do that because it's under the one umbrella. Anyway, my manager for this one said that he was going to take up some martini glass and some other stuff, so I offered to just follow him and even drive. So I bring him, you understand? But I didn't get to check in with you today, so I decided that I'm going to check in with you. I have a very long day today, very long day tomorrow, very long day the other day, and then yeah, he's coming now, so guess what? See you later. Toodles. Hey guys, so it is Sunday, Mother's Day, so I just want to wish all of the mothers a happy Mother's Day. Now I am at my second location. I'm at my second location. I was supposed to be working, but just cut myself because I can't be bothered with the confusion and everything. No. This morning, it's just like there's no the place is just not organized, and I'm not used to disorganized place, and I'm not used to it, and everybody just do what they want to do, and because people they here for years and they've been doing the same thing every year, and every year, and you tell them say, yo, this is not the right thing, them not adaptive to change, and to cause a fuss and like, how can you have a bartender and you as a server want to be constantly in the bartender space making your own drinks and all this stuff? That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. I understand that is what you've been doing over the years, but they hire a bartender, let the bartender do them work. You understand? And at the end you tip them out. And because of that they don't want to do that. They want to make like really. And you know the worst thing about it? When the person started to train me, right? The first day she trained me, she said that the tip was 18%. I don't know if I said it. You remember I said it in my previous vlog. 18%, and in my head I'm saying, yo, that's too much. I never see like a place, no matter how big it be, give 18%. Only to find out that it's 15%. It is 15%. And then I went to the manager, and the manager was like, if you feel like they deserve it, you can give them the 15%. If they don't deserve it, you don't have to give them that much. I'm like, and only because of the woman mother. That's why she had talked about 18%. I don't know, I can't manage. And then the thing is now, one old lady at Bossa, and the restaurant big, right? One old lady is a bosser. And I'm not telling lie, she work, but she more focused on her daughter section. So while we there cleaning and busting our tables and so forth, and she's there cleaning her mom and in mom section, and then we have to tip her out 15% where we don't have to, but I learned that now, and I've been giving her $20, $30, $40 for tip. So you can imagine she getting all that from everybody else, and she barely doing anything. Like, they need to get them act together. And then not only that, you have the host. We clean our section because 3 of us is in our section and 3 in the back section, right? And we're working together as a team. That is us in the front. And we have clean with table, and there's no empty table. Like, even if my one full, somebody else come clean it, because that's how we're working together, right? And our section is so empty, like the section empty, and there's open tables, and the host go clean off the people them table. Clean off the people them table and seat people around there. So like, and I said for go, if your table dirty, you miss a turn. Simple. I don't know. I don't know. I don't honestly don't know. No, them need to change up something. I'm not telling the place is nice and everything, but I don't like this organized place. I don't like it. Don't like it. And I don't think it's everywhere like in the whole company. I just feel like it's the restaurant itself and one specific person because they're here for 22 years and still don't know shit. Like what? Anyway, that's me bickering. So I'm in the car waiting for my roommate because we just clock out. In there slow. Plus, I'm not gonna do no side work for them. Nah, do it because then just a complain and a beacon or whatever. Make them go do them side work. I don't make the money. Simple. Right? So I'm just away for my roommate for come because she don't want to drive with the other person. And she's considering leaving the whole thing and go to somewhere else. But me I tell her if don't leave because if she leave me alone I go there. But it is what it is, I guess. But yeah, it will change. I guess it's there's new manager and the new manager kind of like us and so forth. So things will implement over time. Plus, we're going to move from this section and go to the pool area. So let's see if we can take charge and organize things over that side, yeah, man. Because over here, so it's a total mess. Over there, so mess. But today I made my most tip today, and I got less tables, but the most tip. Because I see people always drawn to my energy. So all them a fight and I go along bad. Me end up even make more than them, even though them do the most work. I had 2 tables and the 2 table alone take me $50. One take me 50, one take me $50. That's $100 from 2 tables. And they're busting their ass off for nothing. You understand? So in a rush, because this God is in control. Alright guys, so I was just wondering if I should, because I'm here and I'm bored, if I should just do a car tour. Alright, so I'm going to do it. Don't mind the mess. It's not really messy, it's just that bag and work stuff all over the place. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Give you a little car tour. Okay? Alright. So it is a Ford Flex. So this is the dashboard. I bought this the other day when this is in the last vlog. Alright. This is the dashboard that tells you everything Bluetooth connect. We have that. This control the volume, the AC, this gear stick, and then the handbrake is down there. Is actually a foot brake. So that's that. We have sunroof. So this is for the front, and I can also like open it if I want. Alright, and I can also close it back. So that's good. Then we also have 3 in the back. So it's a 7-seater, so we have 2 for each person right here, and they can also open and close theirs. You have around there also, and we drop the seat around the back. We have these seats here, and in the back they control their own AC and everything around here. Alright, and then we have surround sound, so whenever I play music it is loud. Yeah, so let me show you what I bought the other day. I bought this scent. Is like this. We refill these and we get these essential oils. Alright, you have orange and yeah, a whole lot of different stuff. Like you have tea tree, you have lemon, you have sweet orange, you have lavender, and then you have peppermint. So these are the fragrance that we're using, and it comes with these stuff, 1, 2. So there's 2 right now in the front. All right, now let me show you from outside what outside looks like. So this is inside. So I tilted that yesterday, so don't mind that. It is leather interior, all right, with some board finishing, so that's good. So that's that. Let me go outside. All right, so this is the car from outside. Oopsie, that's it. That's the car from outside. There you go. That's it. Yeah, so I don't know if that was a good tour, but yeah, that's a little thing. So this car was given to me by the company, so we use it to drive back and forth, and the errands that we have, we're not supposed to go far. And I even said to them, why didn't you just get a shuttle bus? And they were like, no, whatever. So this is it. So this car was given to me, so myself and my roommate, we come to work back and forth, and if anybody wants to come along, yeah, that is that. We are going to get 3 more cars, and we already have 3, so I guess this one is mine for now. Now if the other one them new and they want to give me the other one newer, yeah, but matter of fact, this is like heated seat, so that's good. Like everything is, yeah, so that's basically the car. So I'm just gonna continue waiting here for my roommate. She said 5, but I don't feel so. So that is that. And then what I'm gonna do also, I have like so many different uniform for this company. So one day I'm gonna do like you know what, I'm not gonna do it in this vlog. I'm gonna wait until I get my full uniform for the swim pool. Yeah, the man not looking at the camera. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until I get the full outfit, then I'll do my uniform. Alright guys, today is Monday and it's a bit chilly. Not too cold, but it's fine. Just finished breakfast. We did buffet and there was a ton of food wasted because they overestimate the amount of people that is coming. They thought it was going to be big, so they did buffet, and I must say only 3 person take buffet. Yeah, so practically 3 person take buffet, and now I'm gonna go to my next location. Now I'm gonna change the marriage over there. Only for issues, but it's fine. You know, detrimental. Can't work through it, but I guess it's either them have like an organization, something. I mean, like to be organized, and the place not really organized, and that is my issue. But differently from that, I am cool. So tomorrow I don't have to work in the evening shift. That's good. So I just come to work, finish by 11, and then leave. And I'll be doing that for the next 2 days. So hopefully I can edit some vlogs. And then Thursday is my day off. But I still have to bring my roommate to come out work, because she don't have to drive with nobody else. I have to pick her up. What else? Yeah, I want to go over to HR because I need to figure out what my little bag. Georgia. Little bag. That's why we can't wait to go for HR and call her if we go collect it back. We can't wait that. Every caller. Hey, my man, you know. Walk so far. Because when I reach the car, I want to go pull the car. I mean, so the key in the bag. Where my bag there? Back left. No, sir. Then I go HR because we need to talk to them about my pay. Because I don't want nobody to pay my money, you understand? So, little later. Alright guys, so there's a store somebody decides saying, no make no sense, might as well just go relax somebody because it's the thing with serving you only get $7 per hour, right? Which little money is better than no money. But we work based on tips, and if the restaurant is slow and you have too many servers on, you basically not make no money. So it don't make no sense with it, you understand? So just choose to leave. It is now 12. So I'm just gonna drive home, see if I can cook later on, and then come back and pick up my roommate, see if I can do some editing also, wash, so that when my day off come I don't have to do all those stuff and just rest. Yeah, rest, because me I wake up early in the morning time and need the rest. So that is that. I could have done me here, but I don't feel like more than me here too because that's too much work. Yeah. So that's that. So I'm just gonna leave and see you later. Alright guys, so just I gotta take me a time and go up, and as I said before, just sort out some stuff. I want to go Walmart, but I can't go until my roommate, me and I can't go because she want to go Walmart, and it don't make sense we go twice. You understand? Probably more wash because me not more jeans, even though I can repeat the jeans, but I'm gonna need it anyway next time, so I'll just go wash. I don't mind leaving, man. I don't mind leaving. And yes, we know some money and so forth, but no matter sense, it's like I'm going to be standing up there, and if you know me, I like work. If me there work, I want work. I don't want to stand up and I wonder if me go, you don't like me feel guilty. You don't like them things there. So, that is that. Anyway, so I'm going to come off. And yeah, so later, because no police ticket me, I'm up on the main road. I'm cooking. I decided that I'm going to cook some rice and peas and chicken. It's been a while we have any Sunday dinner. One of the guy is going to work at 2:30, I think, or 3, and we offer to carry him because, you know, just a look out for the youth. And my roommate has said to me care too much. But I don't know. I just like to treat people the way I want to be treated, and even though I know say people not gonna treat me the same way, yeah, but God will treat me really good. So I'm cooking, and maintenance just come. I guess something was wrong with their bathroom, so I just asked them to clear the drain to fix the hot water, because I realized it was just warm and my life forbid in a really hot water, and the drain, as you guys can see from the previous vlogs, it didn't block up. If you see the amount of muck them take out of it, like ew. So I've been using the max thing from the previous video and put it in there, and each time it melts a little, but it just melts the surface, and then you have like other debris, like probably mop, you know, like when you have the mop strings, them say strings like them some there, you know where they come from, but that block it up. And now the bathroom is up and running. So I have to tell the guys, the girls, that the hot water hot. So when they turn it up tonight, in a bun them. But I love all the place I keep clean. I set up my rules. I don't know if I show no. I show no, so I set up the rules then. I shut up the rules and they might abide by the rules. So that's good. So when I say respect others, if you make a mess, clean it up. Take up your hair, go out of the shower and around the face basin. If it smells, spray it clean as you go home, away from home. Let's keep the place clean. Please and thank you. I wonder if he can manage driving, Jamaican driving and my old music. I'm so sure you don't want to know the kitchen because even at the kitchen, and yeah, we don't know how that go. So in the next 12 minutes we'll leave out. My foot on the waist, no man, I go put on the pants because I can't leave out. So no, so I can't go put up there. I tell myself I'm going to shave, you know, today, but why am I not going to shave? Oh, I'm going to leave, but I'm going to leave. Let me tell myself I'm going to shave. So now I'm going to do that today. Leave that for next day. I'll probably when I come back. But I want to finish cook first because I'm hungry. And I not eat nothing really since we start work. The only good meal we have when I had was the rice and curry chicken we cooked the other day. And then my roommate cooked rice and corned beef. And that's it. That's it. Yesterday I eat snacks on my bed. I took up my roommate though to behavior because that's how she eats snacks. I know she do it. So I cook. Anyway, I'll catch you back later. Okay? Guys, this is the third time I go out in workplace. Because I'm going to pick up my roommate now. I just drop off the guy. I mean, off a steering, I never have to. Why you have traffic right there, sir? You have one lane of traffic there right there, sir. That's weird. Yeah, so she said she'll leave early. Tell the girl stuff coming now. Tell her stuff come. Tell her stuff come. But no, she wants to stay and make extra money. No, I'm gonna still. But luckily I came home and me cook and me and wash now. So me done cook my rice and peas and chicken and me look about my potato, salad. Yeah. Me just put in the clothes in the washing machine for wash. Cause me never remember say me I go wash. What else me need to tell you? Guys, why? Myself from the day me put up the rule it's like me and my roommate at this side, I wonder if a girl a bed. It's like the bathroom just spotless. Not even one little year. We are wonder if she a bed. And my roommate said she gonna set up tomorrow because tomorrow day off. I'll see if she go in that bathroom. But it weird, like remember I know we go out early in the morning and then she come in late at night. So we barely see her. You understand? We occasionally back up at work. And she's in a different department, so we barely see each other. So but by the time she would have been in the morning and we come home in the night, the bathroom would have done dry. But normally we would have see pure ear. We not see no ear, but on the paper it say pick up a ear. That is what we actually want. We elaborate, we pick up our ear. So it weird, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, I'm gonna drive out. I have the other phone if the quality bad. Just say go. I'm gonna try use it.
We wake up early in the morning. Just getting the car and just driving out. Used to watch the sunrise.
She don't know how to act, never been a dumb girl on the dance. I just had a swipe like a common sense. I was the good guy, she was the bad girl. I thinking one girl, she thinking me, Earl James and Jimmy. Yeah, she had plenty, but love for me, she didn't have any. I was inviting her into my home, but she was inviting.
Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday and it's me alone on the journey. Yeah, me alone. I go work. That's the reason why I'm a vlog right now. Look out that door. Dark as night. So, this outside not really that cool like yesterday. Boy. Alright, so I'm gonna try. I have the other phone, so I'm gonna try and set it up and vlog throughout the way. I make it see how I go travel. Because I'm traveling that music, so I'm not gonna hold it talk. But at least you have an idea how I get to work. Yeah, because girl like to drive and nice. So I'm gonna set it up and come back, okay?
You are kind, you are more than these. Not for words, trying to describe. Elohim, Elion, Allah Shalabi. Greatness is all I see. There is nothing you cannot do. There's no mountain you cannot move. If you have said it, then you will do it. You have a track record of keeping your word. You're not about to stop doing it now. All over my head, all over my head.
Guys, you wouldn't understand what happened to me this morning. I swear to you, it was a dopey vehicle. That tell no lie. It's like, alright, so for one, the mirror, which is the side mirror them, it never set right. I know it did alright last night. I come over and me I go up on the highway. And me I come over, I'm looking at the mirror and I don't see nobody. And see as me turn, so one van come this close, soup. He not even swerve now nothing. And me I say bombard. Like me don't know where the car come from. Not even the car the van come. Look how much here see me did. Luckily God was there because me just listen to some gospel music and I cut it through. But I swear me looking at the mirror there was nothing. And when me turn go over, the car that goes zoom past and not even flinch. No sir. Me frightened. Me I stop record. Me stop recording like it was scary. Anyway, we done set up. And you're just waiting for the restaurant to open. I think we give one good tour. So I'm gonna try to do that right now. Alright, so this is the back part of the restaurant. Back part. This is the middle part, the front part. Bar. The middle, the side part, I guess. And this is the patio. And then you have down here that you can eat down there. You have the fireplace there. So this is the view from the patio, and you can see in the restaurant from here also. So this is it. So this is all. And then you also have like the waiting area. Let me see if I can carry it here. Oh, the door is closed, so I can't carry it. Morning guys, music load. Anyway, so tomorrow is my day off, and yeah, so I just done coffee and I'm going to put the sugar on the table. The big belly man round this, so lazy, you know what? First thing in Concondo, I did butter and jam. Like them, there's something could I wait till last. Guys, today was a waste of my time. Like literally, because to me get up early, become my work. Guess what time I leave work? 8 o'clock. Like no, It's now minutes to 9 and me I leave work already.
Now I'ma put it down like that. I'm leaving, I ain't coming back. You don't like the way I act anyway.
So, I came home early. I left work early. Me actually not to go work today because me going and we're going set up on them things there. Me and this big belly man at work. And him come and I say, oh, we supposed to do count. And in my head me I say, that don't make no sense. Count. Like why not just do alternate tables, right? So basically he's saying if me get 10, if we get 10 and me get 1, my next table is 1, right? He's going to wait until I build up to 10 person. I ain't never gonna know it yet. I ever hear that yet. Like if you get a big table, right? And then the next big table, you know, say they'll get the big table. The next one would be the next person, right? And the middle room never yet have big table. So if my first customer come at a 1 and then your next customer come at 4, nothing wrong with that. You understand? Nothing wrong with that. I am okay, right? Because sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. Sometimes you get big tables, sometimes you get small tables. And for the majority of the time, at 2, them are going to count. Like, this don't make no sense. So, me I tell him, so this don't make no sense. You want to be audacity to say, oh, we new people now will come and make no rules or change how things go. I mean, I say, you know what? Take all of the table them. Take them. I don't need no tables. One way I do. I just left. I wait until the manager come and talk to them. I wait until the HR come. I left because we didn't have it. And even my roommate, she was scheduled to do room service. The girl that is off because she's off in the morning for somewhere and she's working in the evening for somewhere else. No, she is on tomorrow to work in the morning and then she's off for somewhere else. She decided that she's gonna come to work today even though she's off, so that she don't have to come again. I don't know if you understand. It's kind of weird. Anyway, she come in on a day that she's not supposed to. Then change up the schedule, never inform my roommate, and she make my roommate waste her time and come. You understand? And that don't make no sense. Anyway. So we just left here when I talk to them. They said I'm gonna start it out, so let's see. We just washed me hair and it's still wet. I'm gonna go out the door and I've been sneezing from day. Like, what are you doing, Vanessa? Like, what are you doing? So I need to go back inside, dry my hair and plait it up so tomorrow I can just do what I need to do. Because I go passion twist it. Like, I'm tired for coming here morning time now. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, we went to Walmart today and we went to bank, so we did that, and the driving is getting a little bit more easier. I understand the road code and the turn off and this stuff. Me just make one mistake and turn off, and it didn't end up work out because the turn off actually cut the time in half, so that was good. So yeah, so that's what I've been up to, yeah man. This week I have not been like vlogging much because it's been busy. It's Mother's Day week. Mother's Day week. So a lot of people is in town and the restaurant is still busy. Like today, like when we left, when I leave the man and I say I'm hoping get swamped. I hope whole heap of people come. When I turn back and go back in, the amount of ticket they pay, I say even if I make money, I say yeah man, make them say them need we. Like it might behave like them don't need we. You understand? Like where I come going take over. If them never need we, they wouldn't hire we. Some don't know why they might behave like them behave like say them one alone can't take on the whole restaurant. So when I see him, I see my sweat. I say yeah man, at time for you lose some weight for your belly man. I say yes. So then realize that we are no nonsense people, and we organize, and they have other cities we say, oh, me walk up and guess. Tell lie for me, say me walk up and guess. And me got to the manager, I said nothing like that. I never have a table. I just said to the lead girl to give him all of the table then, because we're not taking any. Simple. Like it's crazy. Better to say the place is really nice, management is cool and everything, but the little mediocre people them they behave like they shit can't make party. I behave so. And we are not a force to be reckoned with. I haven't taken a walk in a while, so that's what I'm doing. It seems like the pool is really active these days, but I'm so busy I can't even go over there and see. And then right now my head is my ear. You know, I go over there, but I go walk by and then go back inside because just never want to talk on the camera in front of my roommate. You understand? So that is that. Yeah. So if you reach this far in the video and you not subscribe, like where are we on? Where are we on? And welcome to all of the new subbies. I see you guys, I see you. And for everyone that's been commenting, you know, I appreciate you. Actually, not even know. Sometimes I get up and I say, Lord, remember see me a vlog. Remember see me a vlog. And then when we get the extra day now, we say, me fi edit. Make sure run, come go edit, you know. And I say, remember, see the vlog I go. But I'm going to try and finish it Friday and still schedule it. So you guys will get this Saturday. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday. Today's my day off. And I'm going to do my hair today. I woke up this morning and I dropped my roommate to work. And I came back and I slept. And I just got back up and I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm gonna do my hair. Yeah, I may just go live when I'm doing my hair. I'm not sure. Live on TikTok because so many people is asking me when I'm coming live, So why not just multitask? If I'm sitting here, I can just sit here, do my hair and do the live same time. But I'm waiting on some calls first. I've not had breakfast yet. So I'm just going to start my hair, blow up my hair, elastic it up because I'm passionate to twist in it, and then maybe after that I'll go get something to eat, then put in the hair and then just twist it out. So that's what I'm going to do today. Yeah, I'm not going to show you, I don't think so, because if I'm going to go live I'm going to need my phone. You understand? Okay.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy, you like that. Don't back down, no you talk back. Keep it spicy, that's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion.
Guys, this is how far I am with my hair. It is 2:12, well 11:35 to be exact, and I got myself some hot dog. So yeah, that's just my little break snack. Not even, yeah, breakfast, break snack. So after this I'm just gonna finish. I am currently washing. I check up on my roommate. She good. So just a check in with you guys, let you know that I'm off to a good start. I made some calls and so forth. Why the vlogging are boring to me, because it's like when I get the time to vlog, that much, but you understand, work, you get me? Yeah.
Plum, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose. So let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion.
I literally just a cut and swallow. I'm just want to order eat and so I can continue because I don't want 2 o'clock to reach. I'm not done here.
Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride till we crossing the line. We some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom, 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 bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yo. You don't got the time for us. Want me make it.
Hey guys, so today is the last day of the vlog. It is Friday. I went to work and I come back and I have to go and pick up my roommate later. But today I decided that I'm just gonna get a little content in and I'm gonna go to the international store. Never been there before. I'm just gonna check it out because I need some Jamaican stuff. Just gonna see if like any yam cocoa and that shit there. So I'm just gonna go and I just feel idle. So we just get dressed because girl here doing girl look cute and feel nice and everything. So we're still gonna the car hat because in a start from park it and it's not the sun hat. So we just decide same. I wanna go on the road and then little later when I go for my roommate. Yeah, I'll come back and I edit and I just set it to release tomorrow when I'm at work because I'm working all day tomorrow. Yeah. So yeah, so today is the last day of the vlog. Let me know which of the days you preferred and what you want to see in this video. Remember, it is still new. I am a little bit still new, so I'm now gonna just up and out with the camera in front of the employers. Plus yesterday say I want to use the phone, you get me I say. So every now and then if I can put in a little clip, I'll do that. And yeah, so that is that. So I'm just gonna go put on the GPS and go and get the day done. Alright guys, so I reached it's called Wegmas, I think. Wegmas, I can't even see properly, but it's sound like it come like a Wegmas or something. But I need nothing really, but I'm just gonna go in there to see if any Jamaican stuff in there and if there's any yam and them something, I'm gonna buy it and see if we can go and go cook and then edit because me if I cook. No, my roommate very picky, but me gonna cook when I want, and if she want, she eat it, right? Yeah. She not eat yam and dumpling and them something there. She not eat, me have oxtail by oxtail and she not eat the something not the oxtail, but she will eat the oxtail. That's like the bean something. Yeah. Anyway, me just gonna buy what we need. And yeah. So that's that. I'm just gonna go in there, see what's in there, see if it makes sense to shop here than for the Walmart. This is the first time going, so let's go.
Centerfold, hard to hide it.
So it's actually Wegmans.
Was in the writing. If we stay, we're complacent. Too much time to be wasted. I don't wanna lie to you like this. I don't wanna fight with you like this. We gon' pay the price if we blinded. Oh, baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait don't you, baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me.
Alright guys, so I got this thing. I was thinking that maybe I could clip it on into here or even at my decks, because I have a decks, you all know that. So I'm gonna just buy this as a clip on like phone holder. I remember how much I paid for it, but I bought this and a earphone. So you see me invest now, I'm investing now. I'm investing, yes. So I want to see if I can hold in here. Oh, this is how it looks. Oh, it have this. Oh, this is how this work. Alright, so I guess this grabs the phone. It grabs the phone like this, and then this go in here, so I can rotate it, and you have this big old clip thing. Very strong, very sturdy, and this thing, oh, strong. It's very strong. This, I don't know where I'm going to clip this onto in here, if I can. I think I'm going to end the vlog right here, because we need to go and go edit. So thank you guys for watching another vlog. We know in all that, but thank you all. Thank you for all the new subscribers. I see you. Yes, I see you. Continue to share, comment, like up the post. Yo, let me know which day is the best day, and yeah, we just try to let you in on the life of a H2B. And guys, I am so sorry. I am extremely busy. I have days where as me drop asleep, so I wake up back. Like me literally I work 14 hours per day, and on the days that I have like free time, that's when I edit and I wash and I cook. So don't have to see with me, like literally. And I try my best to go in the group and message in there, but it's just been so crazy. Like I am trying to work up as much money, and let me say it again, I am not working a second job. It's the same company, we just pick up hours at different section. Alright, so with that being said, thank you for watching. Bye.